Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu states, some guests came to our house. My father would converse with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam at night. So he went and said to me, while departing, O Abdul Rahman, you should serve your guests. When it was evening, we served meal to them. But they said, we will not eat it up until the owner of the house comes and eats with us. I said, he, my father, is a hot-tempered man. If you do not eat the meal, I fear to face his reprimand. But they did not come round. When Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu came, he first of all asked about the guests. Have you become free after serving the meal to the guests? The people at home replied, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we have not got free. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, did I not direct Abdul Rahman about it? Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, I slunk away. He called, O Abdul Rahman, I slipped away. He again said, O stupid, I ask you under an oath that you should come if you hear my voice. Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, I whereupon came and said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, it is not my fault. Your guests are present here. You may ask them. I brought them meal, but they refused to eat it without you. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said to them, why did you not eat the meal served by us? Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu then said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, tonight I will not eat food. The guest said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we will not eat until you eat. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, I have never seen a night worse than it. Woe to you! Why do you not accept our feast? Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, my oath was from the Satan. Okay, bring the meal. Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, then the meal was brought. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu ate it pronouncing Bismillah, and thereafter the guests consumed the meal as well. In the morning, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the guest's oath has got fulfilled, but my oath has not got fulfilled. He then narrated the whole episode. The Prophet ﷺ said, your oath has got fulfilled better than all, and you are best of them. Hazrat Abdul Rahman said, I do not know whether Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu expiated his oath or not. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5334.